Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty My Zone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family members. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a shampoo for hair growth. This shampoo helps in getting rid of dandruff, dry and dull hair, and also helps in hair growth. You can buy any brand of beer and any shampoo of your choice. Pour 2 cups of beer into a pan. Turn the heat to medium-high. Beer contains proteins and vitamins, so they help to strengthen the hair and improve the quality of hair. Boil for approximately 15 minutes or until it reduces to about a half a cup. Take the pan off the flame, allow to cool completely. Pour the beer into the bowl containing the shampoo. Gently stir until blended. Now the shampoo is ready to use. Transfer this shampoo into a plastic container to store and use it every day to wash your hair. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.